It is on this place, but it is not working. Can you see? It is freezed. Can you see it? Oh, I think my blood pressure is getting up. Hey, what's up guys? Hopefully you guys are doing absolutely great and welcome back to another episode of Monday Show. And in this episode of Monday Show, as you can see here, I have the iPhone 4S and here is the speed test of iPhone 4S in this year 2020. So what we are going to do is, let me show you what are the apps that are going to be on this session. So at first we'll have this basic 14 apps and we'll open all them, and after that we have this social section where we'll open Facebook, Messenger, Twitter, these apps, and after that we're gonna open these games. Alright, let's start without wasting the time and let's start and let's connect the Wi-Fi at first. And using this iPhone 4S in 2019, why 2019 bro? Am I mad? Really? This is 2020, what the heck you're doing bro? And using iPhone 4S in 2020 is just a dream that should not come true. Alright, let's start with the basic sections. And as you can see, we have this phone, messages, calendars. Let's start with number one, phone. Messages, it is still a little far behind. Calendar, it is also a little far behind. This button is not yet very good because I got this device in 2018. Calculator, pretty accurate, pretty fast. Photos, pretty good, coming. Camera, camera taking a lot of time. Camera finally. Settings, oh, this button is very odd. Maps, Apple Map. App Store, and this depends on the internet. Alright, after these sessions we are gonna do is RAM management test and the reboot time. I just forgot to tell you. Anyway, App Store is on. Nice. It takes a hell long time. YouTube, I know it is going to take another hell long time because that is what this iPhone 4S does, and you should watch this video properly. You know how hard this device to use in 2020, because in 2018 I used this device as my primary device and it was the worst at that point. YouTube finally on. Safari, it should open. Like the default apps are not taking that long time, still yet long time, but the third-party apps are taking the most time. Mail, mail is open. Alright, all the apps are open. Let's go to the next round. There is social round. As you can see, Facebook, messages and WhatsApp. You cannot see other apps, like there is no Twitter and Instagram because Twitter and Instagram are not supported on this iPhone 4S, so there is no Twitter and Instagram. Alright, let's open these three apps. Facebook, touch on this device is still very crappy. Oh, boring. It's too boring. Finally, Facebook is on. Messenger. Everything takes a hell long time that you will never expect from a device in 2020, because in 2020 you can get very cheap devices with much more better and efficient power than this iPhone 4S, because this iPhone 4S is super old and super sucks. But the design on this device, I really love this because too compact. Next one is WhatsApp. That is what I use the most for my social media. Long time back then when I was checking my WhatsApp on iPhone 4S, I got killed. What a dialogue. What a dialogue. Alright, the social round is finished. Cop up. Next one is the gaming round. As you can see, I have these three games: Subway Surfer, Temple Run and Free Fire. There is no PUBG because PUBG is not supported on iPhone 4S. So if you want to see that PUBG on iPhone 4S, not possible. Free Fire on iPhone 4S, you can download and you cannot play because I already played. It doesn't work. Alright, let's start with Subway Surfer. And the touch response on device is, oh my gosh, level. Like it takes a hell long time to register your touch and after that open one app, and no one in 2020 wants this kind of performance on their device. Alright, finally Subway Surfer is saying something. It is giving me some feedback that I would ever expect from iPhone 4S, and it is loading. Nice, very nice. Oh, welcome back, EM Shubha. Yep, EM Shubha is back. Your bro EM is back on Subway Surfer with iPhone 4S. That is the very bad thing. Oh, bad experience. It is still yet not loaded. My hand is paining. The sound came at fast. Okay, okay, we can take it. Temple Run. And after all of these sessions, we are going to do a RAM management sections, and I am guaranteeing you that this device is going to F up on those sections because it only got 512 MB of RAM. Can you believe 512 MB megabyte? Not even 1 GB. Oh, 512 MB. In this year 2020, there are devices with 16 GB of RAM, 12 GB of RAM, and that plays this 512 MB of RAM. 512 MB. Oh god, you cannot bear this device. One who uses this device as his primary device, please let me know in the comment section. I will give him double heart if it is possible on YouTube, or even I'll send my iPhone photos to him because he is the legendary person. I have to say, it's been like 7 minutes. I'm still frustrated using this device because it is unbearable, uncomparable, unbearable. Black screen. Free Fire. Last time I tried Free Fire and Free Fire did not open on this device, and this time I'm also trying Free Fire on iPhone 4S. I don't know how well it is going to be because Free Fire on iPhone 4S doesn't even work. As you know from my gaming channel, I tried Free Fire on iPhone 4S, that doesn't work, and here it loads but doesn't work. And if you want to check the full video, you can go to my EM Games channel and you can watch Free Fire on iPhone 4S. I should take a nap until this game loads. You know, I think I should talk very slow like this. I should take a nap until this iPhone 4S loads Free Fire. Oh my gosh, that was from Jumanji, I think so. Which that guy on Jumanji talks like this? I still don't know. It is loading. I think it is not going to load. Am I connected to the Wi-Fi? I think so because I just turned on the Wi-Fi. Yeah, I'm kind of connected to Wi-Fi, but it is still not loading. I think it will not load, but it doesn't load. I think we should wrap up the video over here. Let's go to the next round where we will be testing all the RAM management section because that is going to be the most worst. What is that English, bro? It is not gonna load. I'm not gonna waste your time. Alright, let's start from the beginning. It is snappy, but not good as you can see. Okay, it is running the iOS 9.3.6, I think so. Let's start. Boom. Nice. Contacts loaded, but the multitasking on this device is, oh my gosh, it takes a hell long time. I think this video is going to be 15 minutes or 20 minutes even. Messages reload. Laggy, choppy, laggy. Calendar not reload. The default apps on this device are quite good, not very good, but it works. But the battery life is the concern. What I will say that don't buy this device because at battery life section this device is the worst I have ever tried. Camera, please. No, camera restart. Camera restart. Settings. Setting is on there, on its park. It is holding okay, not very good, as it is having the 512 MB of RAM. We should give it a respect, bro, because 512 MB of RAM running these 20 or 30 apps, 20 or 25 apps is pretty good, but not all of them. App Store not reload, very good sign. Reload, it's a reload. Apple, you wanted to make me fool? Nope, it's not gonna happen. YouTube, reload or not? It is on this place, but it is not working. Can you see? It is freezed. Can you see it? Oh god, it is another reload, but it was freezed at that point. This device is not even a little bit good to use in 2020. But it is just for antique reload. Safari also reloaded. My heart is just breaking. I'm just feeling my breath is stopping because of this device. Give me some oxygen, bro. Super hard use. Facebook, nice. It is not reloaded, at least it's a good sign. Nope. Apple, you wanted to make me fool again and again. You cannot. Messenger reloaded. WhatsApp not reloaded. Not reloaded, please. Yep, not reloaded. Good sign. Gaming section, Subway Surfer reloaded. Not reloaded. Reloaded, not reloaded. Come on, say me something. Give me reloaded. It's an reload. It's another reload. Another reload, and this device is super laggy. As you can see, I have already stopped this app and it is not yet. Okay, finally. Oh my. Go back. Temple Run. Reload, please. Reload. Yep, reload. All these apps are reloading, quite a good sign, and I'm just feeling very I think my blood pressure is getting up. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Just joking, I'm not gonna die. Then who is gonna make the videos for you guys? Alright, it's another reload. I know that the round is over, all the apps reloaded, we are done. Not exactly, because we have another round left, that is reboot test. Let's turn off this device, just holding over here, and come on. All right, here is the power off. Let's slide, let's start. All right, recently I was traveling and I saw a guy who was using iPhone 4s, and I asked him how you're using iPhone 4s, and he said, I just use this device for taking calls and sending messages and using Messenger and also just Facebook. Alright, it's on. Hearing that answer, I'm freaked up right now how that guy used this device. Yes, for calling and texting maybe this device is good. Alright, that was the speed test, and as you can see, just making these videos, it just take 15% of charge in 15 minutes. So how you can use this device? Anyway, that was all for this one. Hopefully you guys really enjoyed. Be sure to subscribe, be sure to press the bell icon, and see you in another one. Till then, subscribe. Why I'm telling you subscribe. If you want, you can subscribe. Alright? Yep. Goodbye.